Langley Old Hall is the ruined remains of a large fortified Tudor house. It was built in the early 16th century by Henry Scroop. Today its ruins are located in a predominantly mixed coniferous plantation about a mile to the north of the village of Langley Park. This village did not exist when the hall was occupied, as it dates from the late 19th century. Some walls of the hall remain from the northwestern and southeastern ranges. They are set each side of a central courtyard which is about 23 metres across. The hall is located on private land, although the northwestern range can be partially seen from a public footpath that runs by the site. Parts of the hall look to be at risk of collapse. There are substantial props in place to help support one of the walls. The hall had at least 2 levels, with the post holes on the southwestern range suggesting there may have been a 3rd level at one end of this part of the building. Evidence still remains of the moat that used to surround the building. This video shows a section in the northwest which still holds water. It is meant to be even better defined at the northern end, but the thickness of the scrub meant I didn't try and fly my drone in this area. The hall was passed down the Scroop family until the extinction of the direct family line in 1630, with the death of Emmanuel Lord Scroop. It passed to the family of the Marquis of Winchester in the 17th century, and then later to the Lambtons in the 18th century, although by this point the hall was a ruin. Part of the hall saw use as a farmhouse as late as 1835. There has been further significant damage to the ruins since this time, and further collapses have continued right up until the current day. Further information about this building can be found on the sites listed in the credits. These sites provided the key sources for the information in this video.